Hi, Aging but Dangerous fans, followers, and friends. Lynne Hardy here, Aging but Dangerous Travel Coordinator, and I'm just going to make this short video to ask you to please help me. I have been surprised by the lack of response to the trips that we have posted so far for 2019, and I'm really curious as to why you're not joining us. Everything I've seen, every time we've done a survey, women have always said, we want to travel. I want to travel. But why is it that what we've offered next year, which I tried to do as a variety, small group travel into the Caribbean or to Central America with Costa Rica, um, a U.S. tour, bus tour, again, not a huge group of 40 people, that's co-ed, and then the French River Cruise, which is going to be a total of under 50 people. And again, we've got several cabins reserved on that ship that have not filled yet. I'm just curious as to why you're not making the commitment. Why are you not traveling if you want to travel? Do we need more offerings? Do we need a different variety? Is what's keeping you? Is it the fear of travel? I've got information on the travel blog about how to get a passport, um, what kind of luggage to buy, what you need to do, um, how you prepare, and our travel partners will send you so much information about your specific trip that I am fully confident that when you get all of that, you'll know everything you need to know about your trip, and it'll be easy to prepare, and I know you'll have a great time. I love this travel company. I've traveled a lot, and they have become my go-to group for every kind of travel. Um, it's I just know that you will be happy with them because of the quality of their guides and the fact that they offer everything you need. They offer land travel. They make your plane reservations to get you to your tours. They can take care of any extras if you want to stay behind somewhere, at the end of the cruise or the trip. If you want to do something extra, they'll help you add that on. They're just fabulous about the assistance that they give you to make this trip, every trip that you take with them, great. So I really would like you to please tell me what it is that's keeping you from committing to travel. Whatever it might be, let me know. Just drop me an email at travel@agingbutdangerous.com and tell me what you're looking for, what you're not seeing, what is holding you back, what you suggest might help others. Maybe you've traveled and you've been to these places, so that's why you don't want to go with us. Whatever it is. And if you've got places that you've been that you think other women would love to go to, share them with us. We tried to offer different kinds of travel opportunities. The boat cruise in France, very little exertion. If you, I was on a river cruise this spring with this travel company, and there was a woman there who actually used a walker, and her husband she could walk down the gangplank because she had railings to walk with, and he would bring the walker, and she used it. The cobblestone streets were not totally easy, but they're not all cobblestone, depends on where you go, etc. But anyway, she would come on the walking tour, and when she'd get tired, she and her husband would go back to the ship. And you can leave the ship and get around at whatever pace and level you want. So that's an easy trip. If you're going to go to someplace like Costa Rica, where you're going to be walking out in the country and you're on dirt roads and the offerings are horseback riding and things like that, unfortunately, that's really not appropriate for someone who needs assistance walking. And each of the tours is described as a level of difficulty. So a level 1, very easy, like the river cruise. A level 2, the Costa Rica tour, the bus tour to the southwest, they're really level 2. You need to be able to walk 2 to 3 hours on the bus trip to the southwest because we're going to be taking walks in those beautiful parks. Things like that. So there's all sorts of information on the flyers about the challenges and the opportunities on each trip. So I'm just really curious as to why we're not reaching you and getting a lot more of you to commit to travel with us. So please help me out. I want to do things that will draw you in so that you can meet other ABD women from around the country and around the world And travel's the one thing that can really unite us because we can bring you to a tour of the Southwest parks from anywhere, and we can get you to Costa Rica, where anyone from anywhere in the world who wants to see Costa Rica can see it with us. So, a long story short, please let me know how I can make this travel page, this travel selection, whatever it is, make it better for you. But you do have to understand that whenever you are booking travel, you have to book early. These travel's very popular, not only with women our age, but with other people our age and with younger people and older people. So you really have to book in advance. I can't make it like you can wait until the week before and then book a trip. And you don't want to do that either. Part of the fun is anticipating it, doing some research on it, reading about the country or the area that you're going to visit, an exposure to some of the language so that you will understand some of the simple languages if it's not an English speaking country. So all of that takes some time, and you want to spend some time working on that or enjoying getting prepared for your trip. So again, please let me know how we can get you traveling. Okay? Travel at agingbutdangerous.com. Thank you. I really look forward to having some input from you.